All right, Christopher Pepin. He's the one responsible for putting on Operation Overwatch. Great guy. Yeah, look at this thing. Yeah, a lot of work. People are going to be sitting on these skids right here. This is an Airsoft MilSim event. Oh, fantastic.
Tell me, when have you seen one of these
at
an event in the USA? A little bird.
Yeah, I've never seen a little bird. It's usually secondary, like Robinsons or something like that, flying around. And yeah, this is awesome. Boy. Is a frago. So a frago is a fragmentation order. It's essentially an objective. So there's the main AO, and you're going to get fragos throughout the day. So there are objectives throughout the day. Capture the pilot, get this mortar, hold this objective down, capture the enemy pilot, do this, do that. Actually, we're probably going to be dropping them off, aren't we? And they're in contact.
Use the fox.
Oh, there's a tank. All right, well, then I am getting off. Come off. Tank. So the Humvees are tan. These Humvees and the tank are tan, and those players are green. So they're firing at enemies. Tan players, green players, green players, green players. Make sense now? Hey, can you shoot it? People want you to shoot it. One burst. Alright. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Sorry, people are commenting. Just ignore me. Headshot. You got a fan? Alright. Oh, we're taking fire! Oh, yeah. Fuck that. From Hong Kong. You got a fan from Hong Kong. I'm behind you on last minute. There's combat going on there. Hello, Bangladesh. Yeah, we're trying to set a base of fire. The problem is the way the angle is from that doors. He's coming in at us from this way, so they can't cover us. They're trying to move a team all the way around. Alright, I'm on you. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to set a better base of fire from this right flank. Let's provide better cover for his friends to move. We got some green over there, though. Oh, just short. Oh, overhead. Oh, you hit the AC on the top. You hit the AC on the top of the roof. Dude, there's rounds flying through us.
Okay, let me split.
Yeah, but we can't throw smoke because then we won't see where the RPG's going.
Alright, last one anyway.
Last one. Lucky shot. Yeah! Yeah! Alright, so we asked one person from Florida who said, we got 4 people who were like, that was awesome! Alright. Oh. Port St. Lucie says it's cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go right now. Let's go. Come on.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Grenade!
I missed.
You killed yourself.
Hey, somebody else got another nade? We need one from on 4 here. Wow, holy shit.
Just firing an RPG inside the prison cell. Perfect. I'm glad that the feed's working fine indoors. I'm going to try and take you in with them as we do the battles and fights.
Hey, watch you guys. We got 2.
Perimeter set up. We need to check all these
Hey,
trailers.
other end of this trailer, we got 2 guys in the tree line, alright?
Vehicle, vehicle, vehicle! Tank! There's 2 guys behind that shipping container. So the driver's popping the hatch. He's going to throw a grenade. That was a mid-air thunderbeat. It's stopped to engage, guys. Oh shit, it's turning. Dude, you guys are in a fucking tight spot. Good shit, those guys. There's a tank and others.
Hey guys, MilSim Squirrel here. Thanks for watching my Operation Overwatch 2 live broadcast highlight video presented by PMC Airsoft. If you want to see more live broadcast videos in the future, check me out on periscope.tv/MilSim_Squirrel. Now, if you want to see more Operation Overwatch 2 videos, such as my gameplay and dam mission videos, check out the links right here, where I take you in-game and provide force movements throughout the entire event. If you want to see more Operation Overwatch 1 and Altair testing videos, check out my Operation Overwatch playlist. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.